up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video we'll be talking about how to build a tic-tac-toe game board. You can see I've done it already here, but I'm going to explain how it works. It's something that we can all do by ourselves. There's no mathematical operation here that we're doing into that there's a need for me to start from beginning to explain how it works. But just know that we created a variable here, POS1. I looked at it as position 1, position 2, position 3, and so on to position 9. I created an F string. This is I can mention this is type of a comment, but it can be assigned a variable and get an output on the screen for us. And then you know how this is how tic-tac-toe game. I explained it when I talked about introduction to tic-tac-toe game for beginners. That video, which is part of this tic-tac-toe series video. So when I talked about how tic-tac-toe game, it's just slash and then crossbar on it. So that's what we just do, slash here, crossbar. So that's just basically what we did. We can do this by ourselves, so there's no need of me going over and over on how to just do this thing. Just know that I just try to do it by your self. Just put this dash, put plus to maintain the formalities. So just okay, if you're getting it hard to do it, just copy the way it's being written like this. I'll leave this script this in the comments section below. It's also be on my GitHub page. My link to my GitHub page is also in the link down below. So in case if you are finding it hard to set it like this, there's nothing really hard on it, but in case you are getting it hard to set it like this, just copy it the way it is. I can just copy, because at the end of the day we're still going to get the same thing. So just look at it the way I did it and then exactly do your own. So when I print out this is what we are going to get. You can see down here, this is what I got. You can see it here. This is exactly what you got here. This is exactly looking pretty good at that of our tic-tac-toe board. You can see here, this place, this place. It shows that there are one blah blah blah, but this is just this is what I just wrote down. Just copy it, and then now next video we're going to start the implementation. So make sure to check the next video. It's going to be really awesome series, so just make sure to check it out. We're going to start with the implementation. I did it like this, so it's easier for there's still a whole lot of other ways you can do tic-tac-toe board and tic-tac-toe games, but to an extent this is the best way you can do that, because like this we can just change. Let's say in a situation whereby one user maybe someone entered 0 here. This is just capital letter O, this small letter, this is just capital letter O, this is not 0, so you don't mistake. When I run this, you can see 0 or O will appear here, so it's easier for us to manipulate it and change the values. So just by changing the values of these variables here, we can easily change it. Once we change it, let's say we put 99999 for here, for example, it's going to mess up this our board, but we're going to get it here 99999. It's easier for us to change it, but since we're making use of only just zeros and x, so O and x, so we'll not be expecting this kind of value, so it will mess up our board. Let's run it again. You can see I got my board, so I can see I'm looking beautiful. So yeah, that's basically what I want us to do in this video. Just the way this is, or rather just copy it from the comment section below. If you can't copy it on the YouTube app directly, just go to any of your mobile app like Opera Mini, or your web browser app like the Chrome, Opera Mini, UC browser, a whole lot of other browsers. Just go there, search for this link to this video. Just go on the link to this video in the description of this video. I'm going to, it's easier for you to copy, because at times it can be hard to copy from YouTube app. So that's just basically how you can copy this, and then we follow up. It's just basically easy. I'm going to make everything easy, not going to the gibberish of the appending and blah 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 blah. I'm not going to do that, but in this way it's going to be a little bit longer, but it's going to be beginner easy. So that's basically what I want us to cover in this video. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the subscribe button. Also hit the share. Also share with your friend who you think might be needing this video. So thank you for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.